Tired of boring presentations that put people to sleep? What if I told you there's a magic tool that turns your bland text into mind-blowing graphics in seconds? Meet Napkin AI, the presentation game changer that'll make your slides pop. Want to see how? Keep watching. Okay, so this is their homepage. This is how it looks like, and to access it, type their URL napkin.ai. It's in their beta version, which means they are testing it out. So even when you check the pricing page, it's free. Everything is free for now. So guys, take advantage of it because for sure they're about to start charging. Nothing's been charged for now, so take advantage of it and try it out. Napkin AI helps transform your business communication by turning text into engaging, clear visuals. This makes your ideas easier to understand and more impactful. Here's how the magic happens. You've got two epic ways to kickstart your visual journey. First, simply paste your existing text. Or, if you're feeling creative, use their AI-powered text generator to whip up a fresh report in seconds. Trust me, this tool's got some serious tricks up its sleeve. Now pay close attention to this blue circular icon with the lightning flash. This isn't just any button. It's your visual creation powerhouse. One click, and you'll transform bland text into jaw-dropping graphics. But wait, there's more. After generating visuals, you can supercharge your presentation by adding icons, using different colors, and fully customizing your document as you please. The best part, you're not just creating a presentation, you're crafting an experience. This tool isn't just nice, it's a game changer. Let's dive right in. Once you log in for the first time, this will be the first page you will see. Click on Create My First Napkin. You are presented with two options. You can either paste text from a document that you already had created, or you can generate text using AI. For this tutorial, we will use the AI text generation option. As an example, I will generate a report on junior secondary sports participation for our report. Click on Continue. In a matter of seconds, our report has been generated and is ready for editing. For us to start generating visuals, we need to click on this blue Generate Visual button with the white flash icon. You will notice a pale blue vertical bar next to the Generate Visual button. This bar indicates the text that Napkin AI will use to create the visuals. Napkin AI creates visuals using paragraphs. Each paragraph is treated separately, so have that in mind when designing your text. Pay attention as this is where the magic happens. Once you click on Generate Visuals, we have all these graphic styles of the data that we are working on, and these styles have other options. For instance, if you want to use this style, you click on it, and it populates some more options from you to choose from. If you don't like it, you can click the back button and select a different style. Keep trying the different styles until you settle on one that matches your expected graphic. This is amazing for your presentations, and this is still free. They even have planets as graphics. That's fantastic. Let us select and try this graphic. Once you select your graphic, it will save your graphic on the document. And it will indicate that it has Save Your Style down here. The good thing about Napkin AI is that you can fully customize the graphics. You can come here and you can edit the colors, for instance, the background. You can change it to any color you want, purple, yellow, white, orange. Your color options are unlimited. Yeah, so again, it's all new and you can still click on this menu. On the top right corner of your graphic, there are a few buttons to edit your graphic. You can even download the graphic to your device. This palette icon is what you use to change the background color of your graphic. This will adjust the graphics, the aspect ratio. Notice how the dimensions of our graphic change. If you feel you need a different variation of the style we chose, you can select another one. Once done, click on your graphic for further customization if needed. Once you click on it, this menu pulls up. A light blue margin appears on your graphic to show the part of the graphic that it has been selected. If you want to edit the items that are inside here, for instance the colours of these 3 purple icons, all you need to do is just click on this arrow to drill down further in the group. It will show you how they are grouped. You can see the blue lines that are separating the different individual icons that you can edit. If you click on the Open Group arrow again, it drills down further. Again, this is showing you the icon that is selected for editing. Let's change the colour for this selected icon. We can try yellow on this. It's yellowish now. How about this age groups icon? Let us change its colour. For now, Napkin AI allows you to select custom colours for your graphics, but that might be changing soon. Let's edit one more icon. Notice we are presented with 2 options, the palette icon, which we use to edit the icon fill colour, and the circle, which changes the border colour of our icon. Lastly, let's change this last icon to blue. Let us continue to edit the next paragraph. This is a good one because it has numbers and percentages for our graphic. To generate our graphic, we will click the Generate Visuals button and wait for it to generate. Depending on what data you want to present, there are so many graphic options. You can check the Napkin page for more examples. Kindly note that the graphics are fully customizable. I will proceed to demonstrate this with different colour options. I will fast forward the video for this customization bit. And there you have it. You can now add graphics to your documents and customize them as you please. Napkin AI helps transform your business communication by turning text into engaging, clear visuals. This makes your ideas easier to understand and more impactful. Once you're done editing, you can download the PDF, or you can copy the link and share it with others. Napkin is a great tool that will bring life to your documents and presentations. If you enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button to be notified of similar tutorials when we upload them, and make sure to like and share the video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching.